What if your fear wasn't the enemy? What if fear is not a wall to break through, but a doorway to presence? Welcome to day 5 of our Letting Go meditation series. Today, we face the most primal part of being human: fear. The fear of change, the fear of failure, the fear of not being enough, the fear of the unknown. And through the wisdom of the Buddha, you'll learn that you don't have to destroy fear. You only need to stop running from it. Because the moment we stop resisting fear, we begin to reclaim our power. Fear lives in all of us. It shows up in our thoughts, our bodies, our decisions. And yet most of us were never taught how to be with fear, only how to avoid, deny, or fight it. But Buddhism offers a different path. Not one of suppression, not one of escape, but one of mindful courage. The Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." So when fear arises, it's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of opportunity, a chance to choose clarity over confusion, peace over panic. There's an old Buddhist saying, "The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek." One day, a young monk asked his teacher, "Master, I feel afraid. What should I do?" The master simply said, "Then go sit with it." So the monk went to a cave at dusk, his heart pounding, thoughts racing. He sat in the dark, he breathed, and slowly the fear changed. It softened. It became a feeling, not a monster. The next morning he emerged, not fearless, but free. Fear loses power when we stop feeding it. Fear is not wrong. It's biological, protective. It evolved to keep us alive. But in the modern world, most fear isn't about physical danger. It's about uncertainty. What if I fail? What if they don't love me? What if I lose everything? These are not lions in the jungle. These are stories in the mind. Buddhism teaches that suffering arises when we cling to these stories as truth. But through mindfulness, we can see that fear is just energy, passing through like a cloud. We can feel it without becoming it. The Buddha taught that there are 5 hindrances to peace. One of them is restlessness and worry, the cousins of fear. But here's the key. Fear cannot survive in full awareness. When we bring the light of presence to fear, it no longer controls us. It becomes part of our path, not a block to it. And in that moment, something incredible happens. We stop trying to be fearless and instead become fear-wise. Neuroscience confirms this ancient truth. Fear activates the amygdala, the brain's alarm system. But mindfulness activates the prefrontal cortex, the area linked to reason, clarity, and decision-making. Studies show that regular meditation actually shrinks the amygdala and strengthens the brain's ability to respond rather than react. In other words, you don't have to eliminate fear. You can retrain your brain to meet it with peace. Let's practice. Find a quiet place. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Now bring to mind something that brings fear into your body. A decision, a future event, a change. Notice how your body feels. Tightness, shallow breath, racing thoughts. Just observe. Say silently, "I see you, fear. I welcome you. I will not run from you." Place a hand over your heart. Breathe. Now imagine fear as a small child standing at your door. It is not trying to destroy you. It wants to be seen. Say, "Thank you for trying to protect me, but I choose to respond with presence." Breathe again. Let the fear rise and fall. Come back to your breath. Inhale, "I am safe in this moment." Exhale, "I release what I cannot control." Sit here for a few moments, just being, just breathing. Letting go of fear doesn't mean fear disappears. It means fear no longer drives the car. You can feel afraid and still show up. You can be uncertain and still move forward. That is real courage, not the absence of fear, but action in its presence. Today, when fear arises, pause, breathe. Remember, fear is just a guest. You are the home. Every time you choose presence over panic, you strengthen your spiritual muscle. You become someone who is grounded, not because life is easy, but because your awareness is strong. You are not your fear. You are the stillness that watches it rise and fall. So let it come, let it shake, let it pass, and stay. Stay grounded in the breath. Stay connected to the now. Because the unknown isn't something to fear. It's where life begins. If this meditation helped you face something within, share in the comments. Today, I choose presence over fear. Tag someone who's standing on the edge of something new and needs a reminder. You are stronger than your fear. And subscribe, because tomorrow we explore how to let go of comparison and step fully into your own path. Until then, may you be steady. May you be spacious. May you be free.